Bonnie, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone is doing really well today. I have an in-between video before I do my candle video. I just wanted to share with you the nice people at Bolzano sent me one of their subscription bags. It's the LUX offer for $43.95. They also have LUX Plus, where you get the Body Lift Cellulite Control Cream by Clarins, valued at $69. When you pay, subscribers, that's you, pay $148, you'll receive 3 months of LUX goodies that include a personalized styled handbag along with beauty and accessory items for 3 months. And then I have a code, it's Bonnie Gift, and then I think you get a free gift with that. So check it out if you're interested. I'm going to share what's in the bag. First of all, I love the dust bag. These are so cool. Check out this pink purse. I'm so excited this month. Check it out. You get the dust bag, which is really nice to throw your bag in your closet. And then I did get a beautiful pink bag this month. How pretty is that with the Bolzano little logo on here? I love pink. You know me, I love pink. Inside the bag, I got a makeup bag. And what else did I get? I got, oh, these are tattoos. Check it out. What is this? These are, oh look, check it out. They're like temporary tattoos. That's kind of cute. Interesting. And then I got, it says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise styling each month. This is what you would get inside your bag. Let me see, what else did I get? Oh, I got a pair of sunglasses. Check them out. I'll have to give these to, my mother-in-law will like these. I can't wear glasses unless they're prescription, but oh my gosh, check these out.
Let me see. Pretty.
They're kind of cool. If they were prescription, I'd be wearing them. Check them out. Those are kind of cool. I actually like the style. I'll have to get some of those in prescription. I'll have to see if Zenny has these. But those are kind of cool. These are by, who are these by? I'm not even sure who these are by. Optical quality. I'm not sure who made these. It just says Bolzano Summer Basics. Those are really nice, though. I'm impressed. What else do I have in here? I also got a bracelet. Check it out. And then I think I got 2 nail polishes. Oh, I got the Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy. Check that out. And this one is, I don't know what shade this is. It just has a number on the bottom. Oh, on top. Oh, it's Roulette Rush. That's the shade. And then I got the top coat. It's the Gel Envy Diamond top coat. Check that out. That's awesome. And then inside the bag, check it out. There is another bag that's attached. Oh my gosh, this is really interesting, you guys. I thought this was like a removable bag, but it's attached to the purse. It's like how the bag works. So, it's like a bag inside of a bag. There's a strap too. Let me show you how this works here. Let me see if I can do this. So, inside the bag, there's a bag, and it's kind of attached to the side. So then you can put stuff on either side, and then you've got kind of like a makeup case inside your bag that you can put all of your beauty products. So that's kind of cool. Check it out. I love the color. So anyway, that is the Bolzano bag for this month. And this is, like I said, the LUX. I will put the code below and the website. If you're interested, you can check it out. Thank you to Bolzano for sending me this bag this month. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.